Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum grade 4. Today I am start my lecture with the page number 7 and exercise 1a. In the previous class I also complete question number 4 and 5 in the previous lecture. Today we start our lecture with the question number 6, 7 and 8. So all of you open book page number 7 and we start question number 6. The question number 6 is what? Write the given number in words. लाइक आपने इन गिवन नंबर्स को वर्ड्स में डिस्क्राइब करना है. ऑल राइट, सो यू कैन सी आई सॉल्व दिस क्वेश्चन. द क्वेश्चन 6 पार्ट ए इज ऑल राइट. द क्वेश्चन 6 पार्ट ए इज 1289056 which is equal to which is a 7-digit number, that is 1,289,056. So you can write this digit in the words by using these tricks and in this way. So if you can see part B is 2738910, right, which is a 8-digit number. So you can write 27,389,100. So if you can see part C, the part C is 613421005. This is a 9-digit number. So you can write in this way 613,421,005. So if you can see part D, the part D is 497560, which is a 6-digit number. So you can write in this way, which is a 6-digit number. So you can write 497,560. So you can attempt all these parts in this way. The first thing is you have to write the spell of million, thousand and 50, 60, 90. You can have clear about the words counting. All right, so the question is too much easy. You can attempt this question, but you have to clear the concept of place value of digits. You have to clear the place value of digit, then you have attempt this question easily. All right, if you can see question 7, the question 7 is what? You can see on book page number 7. The question 7 is write the place value of circle digit. You can write the place value of digit that are circle. The part A is 78945210. All right, so I already solved this question. You can see your notebook. The part 1 is 789,452,100. So you can see these 3 digits are for ones, these 3 digits are for thousand, and these 3 digits are for million. So the circle digit is related to million digits. So the first one is million, the second one is 10 million, and the third one is 100, and the third one is 100 million. So you can see the circle digit is 80 million. So you can write 80 million. At part B, the number are 14009838. all right, so you can see it is a 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. It is a 8-digit number. All right, in which last 3 digits show the ones and the 3 digits show the tens, and these 2 digits show the millions. So 0 is circle, so 0 so this circle place value show the 100,000. So you can write 100,000. all right, same as you can see part C. The part C is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Part C is related to 9-digit number. So you can see these 3 digits represent to ones, these 3 digits represent to thousand, and these 3 digits represent to million. So the circle digit is related to million series, which is equal to 6 million. So you can write 6 million. If the circle on 5, so you can write 500 million. If the circle on 2, so you can write 2000 million. all right, if you can see part D, at part D, all of you see it is a 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. It is a 8-digit number in which last 3 digits are for ones, and these 3 digits are for thousand, and these 2 digits are for million. So you can see the circle digit is related to the series of thousand, which represent the 7000. If the circle on 4, you can write the 40,000, but and if the circle on 2, you can write the 2000. All right. So if circle is on 7, you can write 7,000. All right. In today's lecture, we have discussed question number 6 and question number 7. Now move towards question number 8. At page number 7, what is the question number 8? The question number 8 is related to predecessors. Write the predecessors of. I am already discussed what is the predecessor. Predecessor is a number that is occur before the number. Like predecessor आपके पास एक ऐसा नंबर होता है जो किसी भी नंबर से पहले अकर करता है, ठीक है. और सक्सेसर क्या होता है आपके पास? सक्सेसर दैट इज़ अ नंबर विच इज़ अकर आफ्टर द गिवन नंबर, ठीक है. और सक्सेसर आपके पास ऐसा नंबर होता है जो गिवन नंबर के बाद में लाई करता है. लाइक 4 predecessor is 3 and the 4 successor is 5. So you can see in question number 8, the part A is so you can see the question number 8. The part A is 60,129,808. All right, the predecessor of this number is 60,129,807. You can see. If you see part B, you can see the number is 497,215,010. So the predecessor is 497,215,009. So if you can see part C, the part C is 256,943,100. So the predecessor is 256,943,099. all right. So if you can see part D, the part D is 630,713,455. So the predecessor is 630,713,454. So you can see these are all numbers, the predecessors of these numbers, right, in the front of that given number. So if you can see question number 9, the question number 9 is write the successor of. Okay, the successor is related to the given number that is occur after that given number. So the part A is 146,780,000. all right, so the successor of this number is 146,781,000, 78,001. So you can see part B. At part B, 59,899,989. So the successor is 59,899,990. So similarly you can attempt parts C and D in the similar way. So grade 4, don't be confused and don't mix up the concepts of place value and the predecessor and successor. You can easily attempt all these questions if you focus on the lecture, and inshallah will be meet in the other lecture and discuss the other concepts of this exercise. Okay, goodbye to everyone.